Okay, here we come to the next lift with nice LCD displays and Eastern lifts. Oh, it's got a sliding door too. Let's go to 2. 7. Oh, I go 7 works. She didn't work for some reason. Capacity 1,000 kilos, 13 persons. And with a nice cab there. How are you going today? Just some good lift over there. I don't know what this is. 2 is a lobby for some reason. I don't know how this is possible. Here at 7. Which is just a fire door. I don't know why this is there. We'll go back down to 2. Oh, that's why 2 is the lobby, sorry. I've never seen this building before, but I've seen it for the first time. I feel like this is modernised by Schindler, this one. I don't know. Looks pretty old, these things. I'm going to have to go and check to see the location of it. Alright, here we are. I'll go and see if there's more over there. Well, this is the gallery apartment. Okay. There's all like, full shopping centres there. Okay, that's it.